In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A30S, and today I would like to show you how you can check a password saved in Google Passwords Manager. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling to access Google. Over here. Then choose Autofill, Autofill with Google, and Passwords. Finally, click on any password that you wish to check and enter your current login method. Then choose Continue at the bottom right corner and click on this eye next to your password to make it visible. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!